The Air Jordan 1 Triple Stack Sail Coconutmilk Anthracite redefines the classic AJ1 with a bold, modern twist. Its standout feature is the triple-layered midsole, creating a stacked, elevated look inspired by architectural layering. Soft sail and coconut milk tones shift subtly across each layer, while anthracite accents sharpen the silhouette for a clean, structured finish. The upper uses premium pale sail leather with breathable perforations and a striking dark swoosh that delivers strong contrast. A redesigned tongue label, enhanced heel support, and a vintage meets modern outsole complete the upgraded build. From every angle, the shoe blends chunky proportions with the familiar Air Jordan DNA. Its layered shadows, contour depth, and shifting tones make every step visually dynamic. Perfect for sneaker fans and streetwear lovers, the AJ1 Triple Stack offers a fresh perspective by elevating tradition with contemporary style, texture, and undeniable presence.